Stirring things up. Unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, stirring things up. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal English, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your conversational skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its use in real-life contexts. Stirring things up is an idiomatic expression that means to cause trouble, create confusion, or provoke a situation. It often implies that someone is intentionally causing a disturbance or bringing attention to issues that might be controversial or lead to conflict. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from light-hearted and playful situations to more serious and contentious issues. When using stirring things up, it's important to consider the context. This phrase can be applied in different scenarios, such as in social situations, referring to someone who likes to provoke debates or discussions among friends. In politics or social issues, describing actions that challenge the status quo or bring attention to certain issues. In personal relationships, indicating someone who might be causing unnecessary drama or issues. It's versatile but always carries a connotation of causing some form of disturbance or discussion. To better understand how to use stirring things up, let's look at some examples. 1. He loves stirring things up at family gatherings by bringing up controversial topics. 2. The new policy is really stirring things up in the office. Not everyone agrees with it. 3. She's known for stirring things up with her bold opinions on social media. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its flexibility across different contexts. Stirring things up is a dynamic expression that adds color to the English language, reflecting the complexity of human interactions and the impact of our words and actions. We hope this video has illuminated its meanings and uses for you. Whether you're navigating social situations, engaging in debates, or simply enjoying the richness of English expressions, understanding phrases like this can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.